So if you ever have any electronic devices they have this rubberized coating on them, after it gets a few years old, hear that? This rubberized starts breaking down, and see, I can actually push down. Look at that. Sticky, nasty mess. So what you have to do to clean this up is you take you some 90% alcohol and you just start rubbing it, soak it real good, let it soak in, and you can pull this rubberized mixture off. I was wanting to show you the pre and post here, because this, after it comes off, this isn't sticky at all. But wear you some gloves. Look at this. And I was laying it down on my jeans, and now my jeans are basically ruined. I can't hold a camera and do this at the same time, but you take some blue shop rags, put rubbing alcohol on it, and put it on here and just let it sit there and soak for a minute, and then it'll wipe right off. And take your fingernail a little bit. But I don't know why they put this. I had this happen on a couple other devices. You know, these things cost how much? They're stabilized. And to have to deal with just a quick little thing of how to clean up the rubberized coating on electronic devices when it starts to break down. So use a blue paper towel or microfilament rag or something. See how this is nice and shiny now? And I pulled off all that rubberized material that was all sticky. And you can take a paper towel or toilet paper, go over the sticky spots. See that? This is still sticky here, so we need to work on that a little bit. See, this isn't sticky anymore. Every bit of it, there's some remnants, but it wasn't real sticky there, so I'm not worried about it if it's not sticking to my fingers. So for an expensive pair of binoculars, you think they'd come up with some kind of better rubber coating. I was just deer hunting out west. I noticed my rangefinder that's rubberized is starting to get sticky now. Some people put cornstarch on it. I have put talcum powder, and that helps quite a bit. But the problem is, I don't want to get the talcum powder on the lenses. So that's a quick hack, guys. Just rubbing alcohol and a really stiff rag. You can take every bit of that rubberized goo off.